Welcome back to ProBuilder Concrete Estimator. In this video, we'll cover the Rebar, Concrete, Invoice, Contract, Worker Hours, and Price Editor pages. The Rebar page gives you a complete rebar schedule. You'll see every rebar item from your takeoff: footings, bearing pads, walls, slabs, piers, and stairs, all listed with rebar size, number of pieces, and cost. Use Save as PDF or print to create a document for your supplier. The concrete page works the same way, but shows only your concrete totals. Every pour is listed with cubic meters or yards and cost. Perfect for ordering from your concrete supplier. The invoice page lets you create professional invoices for your customers. Add line items, set your payment terms, and include notes. Print it or save it as a PDF to send to your client. The contract page generates a complete contract for your project. It pulls in your customer and contractor information automatically. You can customize the scope of work, payment schedule, and terms. Print it out and get it signed before you start the job. Worker hours is where you enter your crew's hourly rates and deductions. You can set the deduction percentage to match your area, whether that's Ontario, Alberta, or anywhere else. Add each worker, their rate, and the app calculates gross pay, deductions, and net pay automatically. These labor costs appear on your cost sheet, so nothing gets missed in your estimate. Finally, the price editor lets you customize all your default prices for lumber in your area. Your changes save automatically and apply to all future projects. On the cost sheet, you'll find a toggle button in the lumber table to turn off lumber if you already have it in inventory, so you're not pricing materials you don't need to buy. That covers the reports and documents. In the next video, we'll look at slabs and piers.